Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our daily English lesson.
Today, we have exciting entertainment and cultural news.
Korean actress Song Ji-hyo arrived in Ho Chi Minh City.
Many Vietnamese fans came to welcome her warmly.
She came to Vietnam for an international cultural project.
This project connects artists from Vietnam and South Korea.
Young Vietnamese singers also joined this special event.
They want to share Vietnamese culture with the world.
Song Ji-hyo wore an elegant black dress today.
She looked very graceful and friendly to everyone.
She greeted the local crowd in sweet Vietnamese.
The crowd cheered loudly when she spoke Vietnamese.
However, she apologized because she felt slightly sick.
She was tired from travel, but she kept smiling.
Her positive attitude touched the hearts of many fans.
Professional people always showed respect to their partners.
Let us discuss workplace communication and problem solving.
When you feel unwell, you should communicate clearly.
Saying sorry politely helps build trust with colleagues.
It shows that you care about the teamwork.
How should we handle work when we are tired?
First, inform your manager and teammates immediately.
Clear communication prevents misunderstandings in projects.
Second, focus only on the most important tasks.
Prioritizing tasks helps you manage limited energy well.
Third, ask team members for support when needed.
Teamwork makes difficult situations much easier to solve.
Song Ji-hyo showed great professional responsibility today.
She completed her work despite her health problem.
Working with international partners requires patience and respect.
Learning basic local words creates an instant good connection.
A simple greeting breaks the ice in business meetings.
It shows you value their culture and local language.
What other problem-solving skills can we learn here?
Stay calm when unexpected challenges happen at work.
A calm mind finds effective solutions much faster.
Always keep a warm and professional facial expression.
Body language speaks louder than words sometimes.
A warm smile creates a comfortable atmosphere for everyone.
How can young employees practice this every day?
Start every morning meeting with a friendly greeting.
Listen actively when colleagues share their ideas.
Active listening helps you understand the core issue.
Never hesitate to ask clear, clarifying questions.
Clear questions help teams solve problems directly.
Also, plan your schedule before entering busy events.
Good planning reduces workplace stress and confusion.
It also protects your physical and mental health.
Health is very important for long-term career success.
Rest properly after completing heavy working days.
Balance between work and rest brings better productivity.
We can learn so much from simple daily news.
Let us review some useful English phrases now.
The first phrase is connect artists and partners.
The second phrase is solve problems as a team.
The third phrase is communicate clearly and politely.
Practice repeating these short sentences every single day.
Daily practice will build your communication confidence quickly.
Thank you for watching today's English lesson.
Have a wonderful day and see you next time.